Here is the latest app from George Fedak. It's called Big Bricks. It is a classic Brickles game designed for one player. Move the dog back and forth to bounce the ball up and take out the killer bees. There are 4 levels, each one harder than the last. Lots of rockets, missiles, explosions, and sounds. Test your skill and see how far you can go. Available for the iPhone 3.2 and up, iPods and iPads. Only 99 cents at the App Store. To check out other apps, search George Fedak and Parker Engineering Company.